This video shows you how to set up your new printer. Open the box. Remove the power cord and the setup and safety sheets. Review the information in the safety sheet before continuing. Lift the printer out of the box. Remove the pieces of tape around the printer. Open the front door and then firmly push it down. Pull out the print cartridge tray and then remove the red tabs. Remove the tray. Flex, fan, and align the paper edges to avoid paper jams. Load paper, and then adjust the guides to match the paper you are loading. Make sure the stack height is below the maximum fill line. Insert the tray. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer. Configuring the initial settings of your printer. To set up the wireless connection successfully, make sure there is no Ethernet cable attached to the printer. From the control panel, select the display language. Select your country or region, and then select the arrow icon. You can complete the initial printer setup using your mobile device or through the control panel. To set up using the control panel, select No, Thanks. For enhanced security, set up an admin user account for your printer. In this setup, users will be asked to enter the correct credentials before using the printer. Select Admin Account, and then assign a username and password for the account. Re-enter the password, and then select OK. Select OK. Select the arrow button. You can choose to send printer usage and performance information to Xerox anonymously. Information such as number of pages printed, toner levels, device errors, and metrics help Xerox improve device performance and enable better service. Select Share Data with Xerox, select Yes, and then select OK. To connect the printer to a Wi-Fi network, select Wireless Setup, configure the settings, and then select OK. To set up fax and email, select Fax/Email Setup, configure the settings, and then select OK. Select the arrow icon. Select Done. Setting up using mobile device. To set up using your mobile device, select Use Mobile Phone. Make sure your mobile device is connected to a network. If you have the Xerox Easy Assist app, then select I Have App. If you do not have the app, then scan the QR code on the control panel. Install the app on your mobile device, and then select I Have App. From your mobile device, open the Xerox Easy Assist app, and then select Add Printer or My Printers, and then select Add. Select Set up your new printer, and then select your printer model. For Apple devices, select Next. Select I've unboxed my printer. Select Scan QR code. Select I'm ready to scan, and then scan the QR code on the printer control panel. The printer's Wi-Fi direct name appears. Select Connect or Join. Select Continue to Printer Setup. Enter the printer name and location, and then select Next. Configure fax setup if needed, and then select Next. Set an admin username and password, and then select Next. Configure the other printer settings if needed, and then select Complete Setup. You can connect your computer and your printer. Select Continue. Enter your email, and then select Continue to receive a download link for the print driver. From your computer, open the email from Xerox containing the print driver. Download the driver.